let's make a treat for our bird friends. Okay friends, we are making a toilet paper tube and stick bird feeder. Super simple. You're just going to cover that paper tube with peanut butter. Okay, but before you do that, I'm going to take the tube and a hole punch, or you can poke a hole, and we need 4 holes. 2 across from each other, and 2 across from each other. Okay, we're going to put the sticks on. You just have to kind of wiggle them through. However you want to do that. Twist, twist, twist. However you want it. And then you can make them about the same length. Break that off. Okay, do the same thing with the other hole. Put that in there. Match up the other one. And wiggle it through. There we go. Now we have the perches for the birds to sit on. You're going to want to put holes at the top to put some yarn or string on so you can hang it from the tree. 2 holes at the top. Put that through and tie it. Right now, put the yarn inside of it so you don't get any peanut butter on it. Now you get to just get kind of messy. And add the peanut butter all over the sides. Fill it all up. Spread it right on there. Okay, and if you don't have peanut butter or can't use peanut butter, you're allergic, use sunbutter or something else that is sticky and safe for birds. Maybe some hummus. Do this over a plate, grab the birdseed, or you can put this right down and press it in there. And I just sprinkled it right on top. Sprinkle it on top. Okay, try to get all of that peanut butter filled up. You can press it on there. Make sure it's nice and solid. There you go. There's your little bird feeder.